Python programming language, latest version, installation setup in Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. Browser open, Google search box lo Python download, enter key press, official link first section lo display, python.org download, first link click, Python official redirectory web page complete display, download the latest version for Windows, supporting other OS, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, Android, related OS users related option click. Second option, downloads section lo right side, download for Windows, Python latest version 3.14.0, white color button click. Download section lo amd64.exe setup file downloading process start, file size 28.3 MB, wait and here downloading process completed. Next installation setup, browser close, desktop file explorer document open, left side downloads folder lo python exe setup file display, select mouse double click, download folder minimize, install Python latest version 3.14.0 64-bit architectures, bottom side two options display, first one use admin privileges when installing py.exe, left side box tick mark set, second one add Python exe to path, second option left side tick mark set, second option customize installation click, optional features all options tick mark set to default, second button next click, advanced options window lo first option install Python for all users, left side box tick mark set, customize install location, installation application folder default path display in box, local disk C, program files folder, newly created folder Python 314, in case change the another one drive or folder browse click, unnecessary second button install click, Python window first button yes click, setup progress installing Python application related exe setup files and DLL files, installation process start, wait and here few minutes. Setup was successful, close button click, installation verify, Windows search box lo cmd type, first option command prompt, select Python text command, enter Python space ---- version, enter key press, installation latest version 3.13.0, next run the Python shell py, enter key press, Python simple script, enter, print open bracket double quoted executed output text Charitech info Warangal, double quoted close bracket, enter key press, executed output Charitech info Warangal display, shell window close, desktop Windows search box lo Python, enter, ideal Python, select Python ideal shell window open, Python script print open bracket double quoted hello world double quoted close bracket, enter key press, output hello world display, file menu click, first option new file click, print open bracket double quoted Charitech info double quoted close bracket, fourth menu run click, first option run module click, first button yes click, downloads folder select, file name Charitech dot extension py, save, first button click, executed output Charitech info display.